Oh no! All of it got... Please, start. Come on, start! Nothing. No music. No messages. This is so bad! My phone is dead!
Morning, Nova. Why do you look so stressed?
My phone is broken. It won't turn on.
Did you charge it?
Yes. No light. No sound. Let's go to the repair shop on Green Street.
Okay, let's go.
It feels strange without my phone.
Look around you.
Wow. The bakery smells amazing. I usually order food online. This is real bread. The bus is full.
Full?
No empty seats. I never noticed this before. Oh. The sky is so blue. I can hear birds. This is the real world. Let's get coffee.
Yeah,
Thank you. I can't pay online. I have cash. It smells strong. It's bitter, but smooth. Different is good. It feels alive here. People, not screens. So many colors. Oh. I never saw this before. The air feels fresh. The water is so clear.
They look so happy.
Small things bring big joy.
Live music. Oh, bye, beauty. Airplane with hard player. Greg, that's it. Better than music on my phone.
Look at the dog.
Fresh fruit. So bright. Touch it. Smell it. Maybe this broken phone is a gift.
Hey there, what brings you in tonight?
Oh, hi. We found this vintage handheld, but it won't power on. We were hoping you could help.
Hello? How can I help you? Hey?
My phone is broken.
I want that Ray.
It's only the battery.
I can fix it in 1 hour. Oh,
Okay. One more hour to enjoy life.
different. Light looks different. The sky is beautiful.
It works now. Now.
It works now.
It's alive! It's alive! Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet? I don't feel the same. Before, I felt lost without it. Now I feel free.
I'd rather be on sax.
Then, oh, that's a good lesson.
What can we learn?
Life is bigger than a small screen. Today, I smelled fresh bread. I looked up, not down. Down. My phone broke, but I found life. Like how Brad, life is all around us. Can you live one day without your phone? Yeah.